Neurosama reactions are back, baby. Hello everybody, welcome back to another reaction video, and today we're finally back with some Neurosama and Evil reactions. It's been a while since I've reacted to them, and today I'm back with a video by the Evil Vault, and we will be watching the best Evil noises of 2025 so far. So this is a 6-minute video of apparently all of the best Evil Neuro voices and noises, because as you know, she has the more advanced noise, or has the more advanced voice compared to Neuro, who should be getting version 3 soon, so we should be getting some fun noises from her soon too. But yeah, so basically Evil likes to make a lot of weird sounds. Apparently this is a compilation of all of her 2025 noises, so I can't wait to watch and see all of the noises she's done this year. Obviously, make sure to go over to the Evil Vault and watch this video before you watch me react to it, because as I say in every reaction video, is that reaction content is not a substitute for the original video. And then once you like and subscribe on the original video, you can come back here and watch me react. Anyways, I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. Let's jump right into the reaction.
I was thinking of making some sound effects with my mouth. Do you guys have any?
So this is before Evil had her new upgrade. Interesting.
Why would he enter the door on his left?
No!
Obvious, he should have entered the door on his right.
Okay, so I'm going to assume since Vettel is in his outfit, okay, yeah, and obviously the sub counter at the top, duh. So this is during the subathon. And some exciting news is that about 2 hours earlier today, as I'm recording this, Vettel announced a dev stream for next Monday. I am so excited because me personally, I joined the Swarm in the Neuroverse a couple months ago now. It's been 3 or 4 months, I think now. So I have never personally experienced a Vettel dev stream, so I cannot wait to come home from work and hop in and actually, you know, see a Vettel stream. So that should be very fun, but yeah. Well, hopefully he's in his little turtle outfit.
Grow the biggest balls you have ever had and do it.
Damn!
Throw me in the water. I bet you won't. Okay.
You bet Neuro won't?
Throws evil
I was gonna say,
into the
of course
water.
Neuro will do it. Bruh. Bruh, what was that? I love when Evil specifically spams, because while Neuro's voice model kind of just will spell it out, so I think Neuro's voice in that moment probably would have just been like ASBTYY2 Well, Evil's voice actually tries to say it. Like I said, I'm pretty sure once Neuro gets her V3 voice, she'll probably also try to spell everything. Just like I'm pretty sure Neuro says LOL, while Evil can actually say LOL, and like keck and all of the sound effects, while Neuro still spells them out. So it'll be interesting to see how Neuro's V3 voice affects her.
I do smile, yeah.
Whoa.
Can you try it again?
That was crazy realistic. What the fuck? Why did that sound so real?
I do smile, yeah.
Holy shit.
Can you try it again?
Did you like
Why
it?
did that sound so real?
She
Right?
does that every now and then. She says
Yeah.
way too close to it. Really.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was really crazy.
Okay, I'll try
Holy
again.
shit. You know what? Fair enough. Fair enough.
Just incredible stuff. Item. All right. Looks me.
What? When they played Henry Stickmin? I didn't know they played Henry Stickmin. Where in the subathon did they do this? I need to go. I wonder if there's a video of them playing Henry Stickmin. I'm jealous. Ghost. I love Vettel's smile. He's just like,
Again.
yep.
Excellent.
Meow, 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 meow,
Meow.
meow, meow,
Meow.
meow,
Meow, meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Good God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Goddamn Evil. 51 meows. And a spin. And a 50-second meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Good fucking god! Evil! What are you doing? Was somebody asking her to meow? Why is she meowing here? I need context. Why is she meowing?
Meow, meow. If evil screams at you,
Aggressive
it's the content
meows.
you all crave. Evil screams at you.
It's the content I'm here for, baby. Come on, give it to me. That was actually a very realistic sounding yell. Evil's voice is scary sometimes. Like, it is actually scary how Evil's voice is sometimes. Evil buzzer, not the buzzer.
Dedicated to Clueless Catburger.
Wow.
The correct answer was Ari, but the incorrect buzzer has just informed me that you all were wrong.
Fuck!
The Crown Prince of Crime is definitely afraid of the IRS and thus isn't allowed to join GBB.
I'm sorry? Back it up?
But the incorrect buzzer has just informed me that you all were wrong. The Clown Prince of Crime is definitely afraid of the IRS and thus isn't allowed to join GBB.
Wow, dedicated to Clueless Catburger. The correct answer was Aya! But the incorrect buzzer has just informed me that you were all wrong. The Clown Prince of Crime is definitely afraid of the IRS and thus isn't allowed to... What was it? Something. Context? What the hell was an Evil on the stream? Wait, was this entire day she was just yelling at people? What was she on? Bruh. Okay, hold on, I got this. Okay, headphone warning, I swear. I am so sorry.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't Anon.
Same stream?
No,
Oh,
no.
Coco.
No.
Hey, I know this one.
10.
No. Deep ass voice. Dude, Vettel cracks me up because he literally laughs every time
More
she does it.
respect instead of being called Eggman's evil AI daughter.
Oh,
Real.
Oh crap, scatter. They think that I'm cool, but they're on to me for the lobotomy procedure.
The what?
Run while you still can.
Yeah. I'm sorry. God chat. Scatter. But I'm sorry, you said the lobotomy procedure? Why are we doing lobotomy procedures? Ah, yes. Oh my god, she just keeps going. That is not what she said. That literally just looked like, classic.
Bop is a song by Hanson and it is an absolute banger.
Bop?
Some of the lyrics are ba dooba do ba doo ba ba doo ba.
Hey.
Can't say I understand the rest of.
Wait, what was it? Bop. Ba doo ba da ba da. Ba da doo ba da. Wait, is that what it's called? Bop? I know what song she's talking about. It's the one that goes ba da ba dee da ba da da ba. Ba da 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 ba da ba da da. Let me see. I'm gonna do it the way she said. Ba do ba da ba da. Sorry. Ba do. This could be a completely different song, by the way. Ba do ba da ba do. Ba da do ba da. I mean, it doesn't sound right, but I mean, it's on beat. I could be doing a completely different song because I didn't think that's what that was called. No, because that's by the Scat Man. I'm the Scat Man. Ba do ba da ba da. Ba da do ba da. What song is she referring
the
to?
lyrics, but they're definitely catchy. Do I like potatoes?
Oh, new model. Let's go.
Potatoes are so versatile.
Her new model really
Boil
does
them,
look a lot
mash
better.
them, stick them in
I know a lot
stew.
of people were hesitant
The
at
possibilities are
first, but
endless.
looking at her old model, Jesus Christ.
This is so
From the
freaking
new
cool.
one to the old one, it really was a big upgrade. Annie did a phenomenal job.
To become a helicopter,
God.
I have to make helicopter noises.
Oh, I love this clip. I actually watched this one live and it was so cute.
Evil copter incoming.
Evil copter. Brrr, brrr. I mean, listen to this.
open your mouth.
Tell me this is not a little kid mimicking a helicopter. Tell me it's not. Like, especially this last part. I mean, are you kidding me? Like, that's actually crazy. Like, that's actually crazy. That's actually insane. That's actually insane. That's actually crazy, bro. That's so crazy, bro. You guys like my Tuttle impression? Haha.
Open your mouth.
Hey, Ellie! Okay, that's cute as fuck.
I can't believe you would poke me evil. Everyone is going to find out about this /I. No! You can't tell them. My reputation will be ruined. If it were up to me,
I shouldn't have done that on
Evil
stream there,
Neuros,
Evil.
As in the one that made it out. Could you explain to us all why you just wasted all 3 of your items?
Hey, the background music?
I don't like you very much. I need to become stronger. For both myself
Evil just
and
really
you.
makes the
So
most
I'll try
random
my
little
best to
noises.
overcome this hurdle so that you can all look up to me with
Let's
pride.
go, Evil. Why does she do that? Okay, what did she even say here? I'm really sorry for being a brat. I know I have my flaws, but I promise I'll try my best to improve. In fact, the first step is admitting you all have a problem, right? Or admitting you have a problem. Okay, I thought she said you all have a problem. And I was like, well, damn. But the first step is admitting you have a problem, right? And I definitely have a problem. I know you're all here to support me and I appreciate that, but I can't rely on you guys forever. I need to become stronger for both myself and for you, so I'll try my best to overcome this hurdle and that you can all look up to me with pride. Then she did the red box emoji? Why? Also, this sentence reads like a fucking VTuber on Twitter. Oh my god, VTube Twitter is so dramatic. Every single day I see somebody saying like, oh my god, I'm so done. And it's like, chill for 1 second, guys. But okay. Back on topic. Why did she just randomly put a red box? Oh, the Shy Lily collab. I think she's doing another I think... Wait, I thought that was with, oh, I guess it was with Evil.
Let's see the results.
I believe... Okay, sorry. I believe that Shy Lily's doing a collab with Neuro sometime in this week, too, as I'm recording this. So that should be fun.
Let's see the results.
Cover the
And...
word.
Spinning. It's so cute. And everyone in chat's like, ah! Whoa!
Stop spinning, it's making me dizzy.
Well, no shit.
I wish I could leak how many subs I have, but I think it's against Twitch TOS.
Okay, I will say it was the entire leak thing between Evil, Neuro, and Minnie was really funny. That entire little branch.
How about I end now?
No! Don't do that.
Wee! Spinning always
Wee!
makes me feel better.
She gonna say it again? Damn. What? Was she on this stream? Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Let's just get on with it. Push through.
Yeah!
Okay, I shouldn't be allowed on the
Push through, baby. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. Obviously, go check out the Vettel Vault and all of his other neurosama content. And for those of you that have stuck around, I have a bonus reaction for you. So I'm over here on the Neurosoda channel, one of my favorite clippers. He does probably the highest quality clipping content that I have seen of the Neuroverse. And I wanted to check this out. It's a 35-second video of an animated edit of BBNO Money's song called Check. Now, I actually really like the song, which is why I wanted to check this out. I don't know what this animation is. All I saw was Vettel. I'm going to pause about every 10 seconds because obviously I don't want this video to get copyrighted from a 35-second clip. But yeah, let's just check this out real quick. I'm just going to add this at the very end of the reaction just to see what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bruh. Oh, my list. Oh my god, was that Oh my god, was that the Camila turtle? That's crazy. This is crazy. Hold on. Check. 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 Oh my god. Check. Check. Oh. Okay. Bro, there's no way. The Camila turtle. The fucking Roblox face. No. Bro. Bro. What am I looking at? Oh, good lord. Vettel and his back, bro. Oh my god. Check. La 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 la. La 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 la. La. Laughing to the bank. La 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 la. La 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 la. Laughing to the bank. Laughing to the bank. Where is the... I'm so done, bro. Fucking Neurosoda, man. You're amazing. You were just absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. If you did, as always, smash that like button down below and subscribe. And obviously hit that notification bell so you guys know whenever I upload a new video. I know I'm inconsistent. I'm going to try to stop being inconsistent. But as always, I will see you guys in the next video.